A range hood is an essential kitchen appliance designed to remove smoke, steam, odors, and grease from the air while cooking. It features a powerful fan, typically equipped with multiple speed settings, and can be installed as duct or ductless. Made from stainless steel or other durable materials, it improves air quality, keeps your kitchen clean, and enhances cooking comfort. There are many different types of range hood, each with special benefits, features, and prices. To help make right decisions, I did a lot of research and will be found the best range hood that people like you can benefit greatly from these products. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video with patience. Number 5. Hermetlux 30-inch built-in/insert range hood. The Hermetlux 30-inch built-in/insert range hood is a powerful yet space-saving solution for your kitchen. With 3-speed push-button controls, adjusting fan speed is effortless, while the bright energy-saving LED light ensures excellent visibility while cooking. Designed for both duct and ductless operation, it features a 5.91-inch vent hole for external venting and includes 2 carbon filters for ductless conversion, offering flexibility for different kitchen setups. Its 600 CFM suction power efficiently removes smoke and odors, while the quiet operation, less than or equal to 62 dB, keeps your kitchen peaceful. The stainless steel body is sleek and durable, complemented by washable baffle filters that trap grease effectively. Installation is quick and hassle-free, with a user-friendly manual guiding the process. Included in the package are the Hermetlux HMX USB 13G70 AC range hood, power cord, baffle and charcoal filters, and a 1-year warranty. For any concerns, Hermetlux's friendly customer service is ready to assist. Number 4. Hisohu Insert Range Hood 30-inch. The Hisohu Insert Range Hood 30-inch/36 combines powerful suction and modern convenience for an upgraded kitchen experience. Made of durable stainless steel, this 900 CFM vent hood effectively eliminates smoke and cooking odors, making it perfect for various cooking methods. Featuring an innovative gesture control, you can adjust the fan speed with just a wave, ideal when your hands are occupied. It also includes a smart LCD screen, touch panel, remote control, and delayed shutdown function for effortless operation. The ultra-quiet motor ensures noise levels as low as 35 dB on low speed, allowing you to enjoy cooking without disruption. Designed for both duct and ductless setups, it fits a 6-inch round duct and comes with charcoal filters for easy conversion. Backed by a 5-year warranty, Hisohu offers reliable customer support via Amazon for any concerns. Upgrade your kitchen with this sleek and powerful range hood. Number 3. IKTCH 30-inch built-in/insert range hood 900 CFM. The IKTCH 30-inch built-in/insert range hood, IKB01-30, combines sleek stainless steel design with high-performance ventilation. Featuring a modern gesture sensing function and a remote control, it offers a seamless, hands-free cooking experience. With a powerful 900 CFM airflow, this range hood efficiently removes smoke, grease, and odors, ensuring a cleaner kitchen environment. The ultra-quiet operation keeps noise levels as low as 40 dB on the lowest setting and a maximum of 65 dB on high, balancing performance with comfort. Equipped with 2 3W energy-saving LED lights, you can adjust brightness to suit your cooking needs while reducing energy consumption. The superior filtration system includes 2 stainless steel, dishwasher-safe baffle filters, making maintenance effortless. Designed for both duct and ductless setups, the IKTCH range hood adapts to different kitchen configurations. Upgrade your kitchen with style, power, and convenience with this advanced vent hood. Number 2. Hoslane Range Hood 30-inch. The Hoslane Chef Series PS 18 30-inch under cabinet range hood blends modern design with powerful performance to elevate your kitchen. Its sleek stainless steel finish, digital screen, and durable baffle filters make it a stylish and long-lasting addition to any home. With customizable ventilation and powerful suction, this vent hood is perfect for heavy-duty cooking, efficiently handling smoke, grease, and strong odors from frying, steaming, and searing. The 6-speed fan settings let you adjust the suction and noise levels to your preference. Designed for low-noise operation, its dual motor and optimized duct system ensure a quieter cooking experience. The warm 2700K LED lights enhance visibility and can be replaced to match your kitchen's lighting. Maintenance is effortless with dishwasher-safe baffle filters and a buttonless touchscreen control panel with a delay shutoff. Available in 4 colors and 2 sizes, The Haus Lane PS18 offers versatility and efficiency in one elegant package. Number 1. Brano Range Hood Insert 30-inch. The Brano 30-inch range hood insert combines 900 CFM of superb suction with 4 speed settings, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh by efficiently removing smoke and odors from various cooking methods. With voice, gesture, and touch controls, this smart range hood offers hands-free convenience, allowing you to adjust settings easily while cooking. The 2 adjustable LED lights, 3-minute delay shutdown, and 15-minute timer provide flexible control for a customized cooking experience. This range hood offers flexible ventilation options, with the ability to install for duct or ductless operation. It includes a replaceable activated carbon filter for ductless setups, ensuring optimal airflow. Made from durable brushed stainless steel, it features a sleek tempered glass display panel, adding elegance to your kitchen. The dishwasher-friendly baffle filters make maintenance quick and easy. Included in the package are the vent pipe adapter, 6-inch vent, carbon filter, and a 5-year after-sale service. All I want to say is that I make helpful videos daily. Please do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, so do check out link the my description box for each product mentioned. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.